Hello everyone, it's 31st October. Let's quickly look at the headlines from the Indian Express newspaper. In the first page, we have this whole page dedicated to this one news. Ekta Divas, 31st October. Please have a read. Then we have the world page where we have in Busan, Trump trims China tariffs and deal with Xi on fentanyl, rare earths. Again, very important. Hamas hands over two hostages' body as Israel forces attack Gaza again. Then we have US limit on refugees cut to 7,500, mostly white South Africans. Then we have when this reporter comes calling, the White House insults go flying. All these news are very important for international relations perspective. Moving forward, we have Trump, Xi agree on ceasefire in trade war. China eases curbs on rare earth exports. Again, very important for international relations perspective. Moving forward, we have the pollution watchdog, same STPs, very different readings. Again, very important for environment perspective. Moving forward, we have AQI up by 100 points, highest in October in 3 years. Then we have, if you have chronic lung disease, leave Delhi for 6 to 8 weeks. Both these news are very important for environment perspective. Then we have the CSR page, again very important, CSR for nation building to achieve Viksit Bharat. Then we have the same news on CSR for nation building to achieve Viksit Bharat. There are multiple things, multiple schemes given here. You can go through it. Building sustainable and inclusive future with Indian PSUs. All these news are very important for development as well as education perspective. Moving forward, we have the editorial page. The editorial page is always important for examination perspective. The first editorial says two superpowers, very important for international relations perspective. Then we have don't rely on the heavens. Artificial rains can at best be temporary solution. Again, very important for environment perspective. Then we have thaw at last. De-escalation of China trade, US trade war. Again, very important for international relations perspective. Then we have Pakistan's revival should worry India. Its sovereignty is rented. Both these news are very important for international relations perspective. Then we have the debt we owe to Sardar Patel. Again, a very important news on Rashtriya Ekta Divas. Then moving forward, we have in U-turn, US gives 6 months sanction relief to Chabahar port. Again, very important news as for international relations perspective. Then we have AI to be introduced in class 3 from 2026-2027. Again, very important for polity and governance as well as education perspective. Then we have India asks for fresh details from US on 26/11 attack accused Rana. Again, very important news. Then we have it's official, Justice Suryakant to be next CJI will take charge on November 24. Again, a very important news. Moving forward, we have the explained page where we have India, Russian oil and the looming secondary sanction threat. Again, very important for economic perspective. Then we have with US set to restart nuclear tests, recalling reasons for halt. Then we have after Asian summit, group's importance for India and amid US-China tussle. Again, very important for international relations perspective. And that is it for today. I will see you in another video. Until then, bye-bye. Take care.